Title: The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between lush green hills, lived a mischievous boy named Jack. Jack had a habit of lying. He would often create wild stories to get attention from the villagers. His favorite trick was to shout, "Wolf! Wolf!" and watch as the villagers would come running to his rescue. One sunny morning, Jack decided to play his trick again. He climbed to the top of a hill overlooking the village and screamed, "Wolf! Wolf! A big, scary wolf is coming to eat our sheep." Hearing his cries, the villagers dropped everything they were doing and rushed to help. They grabbed pitchforks, ropes, and even pots and pans to scare the wolf away. However, when they reached the top of the hill, all they found was Jack, laughing uncontrollably. "Gotcha!" Jack exclaimed, relishing the attention and the villagers' frustration. He reveled in their annoyance and thought his prank was hilarious. Days passed, and Jack's deceptive behavior continued. He would cry wolf at random intervals, and the villagers, always wanting to protect their sheep, would come running, only to find it was a false alarm. The villagers grew tired of Jack's lies but hoped he would change his ways. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon and the village settled into the tranquility of the evening, a real crisis unfolded. A ferocious wolf had indeed come to the village, with its eyes set on the precious flock of sheep. Terrified, Jack ran to the top of the hill once more, his heart pounding with fear. This time, as he screamed, "Wolf! Wolf!" with all his might, he hoped someone would come to his rescue. But no one came. The villagers, who had heard Jack's cries so many times before, did not believe him anymore. They assumed it was just another one of his pranks and decided to ignore him. As the wolf descended upon the village and attacked the defenseless sheep, Jack realized the gravity of his actions. He had cried wolf once too often, and now, when he truly needed help, no one believed him. The next morning, the villagers found Jack sitting alone on the hill, his face filled with regret. He had learned a valuable lesson: always tell the truth because a liar won't be trusted when it matters most. The moral of the story is clear: honesty is a precious virtue. Trust is fragile, and once broken, it can be challenging to regain. Jack's lies had consequences, and he had to live with the knowledge that his deception had caused harm to himself and others. From that day on, Jack decided to mend his ways and never tell lies again. He had learned that the price of dishonesty was far too high,